Look at the handsome boy waiting for a strawberry. Hold on, you gotta catch it. Gonna be making some teriyaki carne asada and broccoli. But right now I'm making some homemade teriyaki sauce. The brown sugar, the honey, and the vanilla, the ginger, a little bit of the soy sauce. We're even gonna put a dash of cinnamon in there. Maybe not thicken it with some of that cornstarch and a hint of coffee. Beef and teriyaki to marinate overnight in the fridge. It's been marinating overnight. The carne steak sitting marinated in the fridge for the past 15 hours, getting ready to make that. And the rest of the ingredients, we got some rice back there, bell pepper, broccoli. We're going to be putting some peanuts in it, carrots, zucchini, garlic, onion, and celery. Something tells me there's something else. Let it sear, baby. So I cooked the meat first and seared it. Then with the juice of the meat and the teriyaki leftovers, I've been slowly cooking the vegetables. Then I had the onions going. Now I put these guys in. And what I've done is move, so this was centered. But as I've been cooking and moving back, I've been pulling this back for it to only burn the front portion and not the whole thing, so the meat can cool down and not continue burning, cooking. It kind of helps with less dishes and less pots, I've learned over time. And since this thing's so big, it works pretty well. Until it fails me, I'm going to continue doing it. And it also looks pretty. Just added some garlic and stirred everything in. It's all cooking uniformly now, instead of the unorthodox way I was doing it. If it works, it works. I'll be adding in a 1/4 cup of peanuts, just to take it to the next level. Last but definitely not least is the broccoli. You learn not to put it in too soon, because it cooks fast and isn't as good. Maybe it's good mushy to some people. I like it a little tiny crunchy still, like the carrots. Turn it off. Cover it up. A little fluffy rice at the bottom of the bowl. And the tasty stuff on top. Definitely a healthy snack for the afternoon. I'm definitely grateful and thankful and blessed that I've been blessed with the wisdom to have some sort of health consciousness throughout my day. You don't just wake up with that consciousness and the ability to do it. It's something that you're taught, something that you learn, something that a knowledge that you seek over a lifetime. And it's not any one little healthy habit that does all your health by itself, but a bunch of healthy habits that add up to a more rewarding, healthy life. And the same goes the opposite. It's not any one unhealthy thing you do that ruins your health. It's the total unhealthy things that you do. So just by eliminating some unhealthy things and replacing them with some healthy things, you could see a huge, dramatic difference in your life and the health that you experience on a daily basis.
This isn't really painting, this is just a patch job here on this.
Quick look at the cilantro flowers I put in this little vase. They got these pretty little white flowers that just kind of look nice right now. Smell like cilantro too. Another day, another juice. Bit busy of a day, but you always make those little bit of times to get healthy things in. We know we're really good at getting things in that aren't healthy, aren't productive, aren't meaningful, that are frivolous. Why can't we add in some of those things that take less time but add more to our lives for healthier things? Sometimes it's not always about doing more things to better yourself, but giving things up. And when you give certain things up that are frivolous, unmeaningful, and quite possibly even harmful for you, both health and financially, you leave a vacuum of space to where you could fill something positive, rewarding, and enriching in your life. There's the fava bean harvest. Just got done picking out the fava beans. Some of them I stored in a dark, dry spot for next year. These ones I'm going to put in here, add some water and sea salt solution, soak them for a bit, and have them with some artichokes tonight. And save that guy in there for later. It's finally loquat season. These have been a treat. It's been a while. Last year they came in a month late. Usually they are ready in early May. And then these seeds I'm going to go throw down at the creek and hope to get some wild ones someday.